What is missing in our world? Why is it that we live in a time of such opportunity and with so many ideas, but still see so much suffering? Where and how did we become so disconnected? Imagine something new. Progress, compassion, education. These are our pillars through which we know that we can shake up what is established, creating links and healing divisions, connecting you to your loved ones and to the rest of the world. We are a company that stands with humanity and improving the human condition on a global scale. Through Coolmix, you are giving back without even realizing it, a model that we will use to spread across the globe. So join us, celebrate humanity, be you, be Coolmix.